High-performing current wall system requirements. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we review what a current wall is and review the high performance levels current wall systems can achieve. So what is a current wall? A current wall is a non-bearing exterior wall that is secured and supported by the structural members of the building. So remember, the current wall sits out in front of the slab and is anchored back to it. But a current wall also becomes the building envelope. So it becomes the thermal, air, and water barrier for a building. Current walls can do large high spans, and it's usually required when you get to upper floor elevation. So if you have a very tall building, you're typically going to use a current wall systems. Current wall systems are designed for monumental applications. So structurally, they are stronger than storefronts or window wall systems. And since they can be used higher up on taller buildings, they're designed to perform at higher design pressures, which means higher air and higher water performance as well.
That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.